All right. Had a couple hiccups, obviously. Actually, the only hiccup we had drug us about an hour down. We've got little rods that's supposed to hold the little rain flies on the sides. I guess we left them at home. We just don't even know where they are. So it's kind of a bummer, but we're gonna figure it out. Even if we gotta order them and have them shipped somewhere and find them. Most of the time we're gonna be sleeping. It's gonna be night, and most all our spots it's gonna be in the upper 40s at the hottest, and might be in the teens in a couple places. Just depends. We might not be camping out in those places. Who knows? But it took us about 20 minutes to put the actual tent up, which is the top part. And then after our hour and a half of searching and wondering what we did with those rods, took us about 18 minutes to put this thing up. Not too bad for the first time. Kind of, you know, made some mistakes and had to backtrack and then go around the watershed. There's my assistant.
Going in for insulation?
Yeah, we bought insulation that goes on the inside because we know we're going to be going in some cold spots, possible snow. So we're going to see how it is to put the insulation up and whether or not the insulation can stay assembled when we fold the tent down. And so we don't know, and we will find out. So far, other than the rainfly rods, nowhere to be found. We're gonna overcome and adapt. All right, let's get this insulator on.